Ah, my friend, I see you are here seeking wisdom on the management of time. Time, the most precious of all our possessions, and yet often the most squandered. Let me share with you some stoic wisdom on how to manage it wisely. First and foremost, you must recognize that time is a finite resource. It is like a flowing river, never to return. Once it's gone, it's gone. You must treat it with the utmost respect. Start by reflecting on your values and priorities. What truly matters to you? Your time should be dedicated to those things. Do not fritter it away on trivial matters or distractions. Embrace the philosophy of carpe diem. Seize the day. Live each day as if it were your last, for one day it surely will be. This sense of urgency will help you avoid procrastination and make the most of your time. It's not enough to be busy. The question is, what are you busy about? Ensure that your actions are purposeful. Seneca's words are to live a life that's well-ordered, not one that's merely full. My dear friend, for knowledge is a treasure. It saves you from the blindness of ignorance. Dedicate time for learning and self-improvement, for it is an investment that yields the highest returns. Do not be a slave to others' demands on your time. Learn to say no when necessary. Guard your time fiercely, for it is your most valuable possession. And when faced with adversity, remember the Stoic principle of controlling what you can and accepting what you cannot. Do not waste your time and energy on things beyond your control. Focus on what is within your grasp. My friend, managing time wisely is a lifelong pursuit. It requires constant self-examination, discipline, and a commitment to living a life in alignment with your values. As you reflect on these words, remember that every moment that passes is an opportunity to choose how you spend your time. Choose wisely, for the sands of the hourglass continue to flow.